Hi, I'm Eddie Field. In this episode, we're setting up the Hampton Bay 34-inch outdoor fire pit. Let's dive in. It comes with assembly instructions and hardware. Also comes with the lid and the bottom. Mesh spark screen and poker inside. There's a poker. These look like the legs. In addition to the handle and the poker, careful, that poker's hot. Step-by-step instructions. Using care guide, some hardware. There's the assembly wrench. Now you'll notice the legs on the ashtray are bent up a little bit. So we'll straighten those out. Really thin metal. Step one is attach the heat shield to the firebox. Step two is attach the firebox to the base. Bonus tip, get all the bolts started before you tighten any one of them up. The holes don't exactly line up. Now that we're all started, we can go around and tighten them up. Now attach the handle to the mesh screen. See where I cut my handle on? They even include a wrench. Now we place the spark screen on top of the firebox. I picked it up for $30 off at Home Depot. The metal's kind of thin. I'm not really expecting a lot out of it, but it'll burn off the brush. I'll post how this guy holds up over time in the comments below. If this has been helpful, be sure to click like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one.